Ngarliyarndu Bindirri is a 50-year-old local Aboriginal organisation led by a board of local elders. And Ngarliyarndu Bindirri's vision and objectives is a self-determination and well-being of all Ngarliyarndu living in and around Roebourne. So NBAC is always kept very busy, being a community development organisation and being also the local office for Centrelink and Medicare. We have a lot of community members who regularly, daily walk in to receive assistance from the different teams. As NBAC is also a work-ready and supporting environment for everyone wanting to get into local employment, we constantly have community members who are looking for support walking in. So COVID-19 has had quite an impact on the operations of Ngarliyarndu Bindirri and Britta. Firstly, in the Roebourne space, in the early stages of the pandemic, we had to implement a number of social distancing protocols to ensure that we keep community members safe during the early stages. Unfortunately, once the lockdown and additional measures came into place, we had to close our office here in Roebourne and stop the services that we were providing to the community locally. So that included Centrelink, Medicare, the Ngarliyarndu crew, as well as the Red Dirt Driving Academy, to ensure and reduce the spread of the virus locally in the community. The organisation was closed for about 6 weeks, which had quite an impact on the community. And as part of this closure and some of the initiatives that NBAC had locally in the community to keep the elders safe, NBAC worked very closely and collaboratively with NIFL, the Ngarliyarndu Management Foundation, in order to deliver a sustainable food program to support the elders in the community and keep them safe. And on the other side, Britta itself was actually kept extremely busy, being considered an essential service during the pandemic. Our cleaning teams were kept busy and we had to increase the number of cleaners delivering the service to our clients to ensure that we met the different sanitation and models and keeping all the different client sites. Unfortunately, one of the impacts that COVID had on our operations here in Roebourne is we had to close our office. So the community was impacted by the fact that we couldn't have or offer the Centrelink services during that period. We also had to stop the Red Dirt Driving Academy services to the clients to ensure and reduce any potential spread of the virus within the community. So that did impact our revenue. So while the office itself was closed in Roebourne, we were able to keep all our staff engaged, operating from home, having had invested in some new information technology services early in the year. It allows us to operate remotely, ensuring that all our staff were still on the ground in the Britta operations to receive the support they needed. So during this period as well, we had some very strict safety protocols to reduce the risk of contamination between teams if ever it was to come here in the Pilbara. And part of that was reducing the risk of face-to-face meetings between Cape Lambert, Wickham, Karratha and Dampier team. We had a lot more meetings using online technology. We now have a renewed interest in more local members, community members looking for work. So we have a wait list in our Ngarliyarndu crew waiting to get into employment, as well as renewed energy in the team running and operating the Red Dirt Driving Academy. So we have some exciting plans coming into place for the community of Roebourne. Watch your space.